Green is a good color. Cold hard cash is green. Kermit the Frog is green. Grass is green. Water lilies are not green, but they sure are beautiful. When you're brand new, you are called green. Sometimes you're green with envy. Yeah, you too. Admit it. Mars isn't green, but I sure wish it was, 'cause then I'd spend all my time there. Peas is green. So is the green giant. Remember him? Green giant. Maybe I'd be him on Mars. The Green Hornet was, well, green. James Brown wasn't green, nor is Jack Black. He's white. So is Betty. Charlie Brown isn't green, but he's still the coolest kid on the block. Robert Redford isn't green, but he still sure is damn sexy. Pink Floyd sings about money, which is green. What if Snow White was snow green? I'll bet she'd still be red hot. You ever go for a walk in the park and think about all this silly kind of shit? It's the good stuff. Strolling along hand in hand with your love. Yes, to new and greener pastures. Why not? Maybe you have a romantic picnic here. Fresh air, filling your lungs, invigorating your spirit and your soul. And can you hear them? Your children playing on this lush green field. Soccer games, tag, snap the whip, badminton, lawn darts. Thank you for coming along on this little trip of mine. I cherish you, my friend. I really do. Now let's go have a green snow cone.